Hello and welcome back. In the previous session we have improved the crossover by adding different operators to our crossover. So we had a single point crossover and we just added double point crossover and uniform crossover. So these two strategies just improve the crossover operators in our GA. So here we just wanted to focus on improving mutation. The other operators of the GA is mutation. So let's just get started with the improvement of GA. For the as you can see that for the mutation we just selected one variable and wanted to change this variable. So if this variable would be 1, we just change it to 0, and if this variable is 0, we change it to the 1. So in this session we just wanted to select more than one variable, so we have to define a new parameters name rate of mutation. So all this just tell us that what percentage of variable should be mutated. So we have defined this parameter as a RMU, and then we just determine the number of variables that we wanted to mutate it, and want to just apply this strategy to the our code. So we have to define mutation rates, and these parameters allow us to mutate more decision variables. So RMU, or rate of mutation, is defined here as the rate of mutation, and it's usually lower than 0.1. So we just wanted to say that the rate of mutation would be a lower number. So let's just go to our code and apply this idea to our mutation. So here we just have a BGAs. So at first we have to define the parameters here, and this parameter is just related to RMU. So let's just get started here, and we have a RMU which is equal 0.1, and this is a rate of mutation. And we have also modified our mutation functions. So we have added another input to our mutation. So we just have here the one input, so we have a two input. This would be RMU, and just wanted to modify this code here. So just go to this function, and we have RMU here. Also we have to determine the number of mutants. The number of mutant would be the sale of RMU to n. So we have this code here. The number of mutant would be sale RMU multiple n. So it just guaranteed that once we just have a small number, it's just all just have at least one decision variable. So here we just selected more than one, so we are just selected based on NMUs. So we just replace it NMU to 1 here, and let's just save it. So let's just run our code and see what happened. So we just successfully apply this code to the GA. Thank you very much for your attention. So see you in the next session.